There he is, Rich, right here. Yeah, right there. Get his ass.
Can you open this door so you can get out?
No.
Why?
Look at all the shit in the way of it. Richard, you gotta do it right, bro. You can't just pussy with it.
Hey, watch out. I almost had his tail till you kicked it, you dipshit.
You dipshit. Rip shit.
I'm just gonna wait for him to get right here. I'm gonna catch him, motherfucker.
Where's he?
Vitos, that's your Fisher Price.
Nah, dude, I ain't even opened yet.
Fisher Price.
That's Richard's shit, man. This is going on YouTube. Where'd he go, Rich? Is he still back there?
I don't know where he is, dude. He ain't back there, dog. Oh, he ain't over there.
Uh-oh. We got a lot of places to look.
He's behind this black shelf.
No, he's not.
Either that or this dresser.
No.
He might be under the dresser, dude.
No, you can't.
Is that a GameCube?
Yeah.
Wonder what game is in it.
Motherfucker.
Need for speed.
Damn, most wanted. Where's this bitch ass bird, man?
Look how small that shit is, dude.
Oh! Oh!
He's
Where
over
y'all
there.
seeing?
He's over there. He is over there.
He fucking came out hot, son.
I hear him. Right there he is!
Oh,
Richard, right there!
Where?
Behind the box. The blue basket, right.
God damn it. It's scary.
Hey, man. You better kick the bee. Hey,
Kick the
come
bee. I'm standing
Oh,
back.
dude, I'm gonna take this motherfucker.
I'm keeping my distance, dude.
Watch out, dude.
Alright, we're dead in the file cabinet. We can't be doing that shit.
He's coming. Come on, bitch. This beak looks like he'll hurt me now. Come
Oh,
on.
I see him.
Let's go. Oh, dude, you almost had him over here. Fuck, we ain't getting this bird out this
No,
house.
we
Get
don't.
Snoopy's ass.
Snoopy ain't gonna catch a bird. That's what cats are for.
There he is!
Oh, well, of course. He's right here as soon as I move.
Where was it?
Hold up. Give me a box. I'm gonna throw this fucking box on top of it.
Give me a box.
Where is he? Here. Knock it.
Hey! He's over here!
He said, hey!
Behind the suitcase.
Ow!
Behind the suitcase.
Get him!
Right
Get
there.
him!
Dude, if he flies around in a circle, I'm gonna jump up and catch his ass.
Richard, you don't have to jump. Look. You don't have to jump.
Come here, birdie! Keep sharp, bitch!
Hey, it's right there!
Where? He's getting
He's
scared.
over here!
It's scary, dude.
He's scared to catch the bird. He's the bird catcher.
There he is! He's over here now! He just went back.
Come on. Watch out, dude.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, I swear to God he
I see
did.
the shadow. Let me get back here. I'm gonna actually stand back there this time.
Where's he at?
Wait, I want to break nothing back there, dude.
Oh, I see him now.
Am I gonna break something?
Who cares? Oh, Richard, here he is. See if you can grab his hand. Oh, never mind. I bet this bird's scared as fuck, dude.
You got any,
Right here.
cowboy, dude?
Richard, he's right here.
I see his bitch ass. Come on, pussy. That's her bitch.
There he is, Rich.
What are you doing?
Just get him under that and then drop it.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Dude, he was like 5 minutes away from me.
What if that hit your neck, dude?
Oh, there he is! There he is! Ah! He's right there!
Oh, you motherfuckers! I got so close, dude.
What's behind this cabinet?
I got so close.
Hey! Don't break the fucking bird in half, dude.
That's the whole thing. There he is.
I'm telling you now, he ain't coming back this way. He's gonna fucking get caught. But I'm telling you, dude. What am I telling you? I'm catching this time. This is fucking not cool.
Above you!
Above me.
I said above you.
Oh,
Yeah, Rich, he's really coming back at you.
I just see his shadow right here.
He's right there. He's up against the window.
Yeah, I mean, he is now, but he was real close before. Oh, come a little closer, bitch. Here it is, boy. Come on, dude. Turn around.
What is it with women and all their clothes?
He's mine. Don't think he is. He's mine.
I think he's chasing you.
He's mine.
Richard's got him.
No, he didn't. Did you get him,
Yeah,
Brett?
I got him.
Hell yeah.
We got the wee little buddy. Alright, dude, don't get so close.
Throw his ass,
Hey,
dude,
open
on the
this
ground.
door,
Fucking
open this door.
beat him.
Hurry up.
Ah, shit! Get the.
Did he shit?
Yes, he's shit!
Oh, that's fur, dude.
Oh, thank God.
Open this fucking door. My gloves are slipping.
My gloves are slipping.
So you.
Bitch.
I would have busted him on a fucking tree.
How we doing, boys?